Good evening, everyone. Respected Super Engineer Sir, Deputy Chief Engineer Sir, and my dear colleagues. Today, we have gathered here to share our knowledge regarding National Seminar on Advances in Irrigation Technologies and Management held at Assam Water Center, Guwahati, organized by Northeastern Regional Institute of Water and Land Management, Medialom, in collaboration with various reputed organizations such as Central Water Commission, Central Groundwater Board, Brahmaputra Board, National Water Academy, Rajiv Gandhi National Groundwater Training and Research Institute, etc. on 29th and 30th November 2024. In that seminar, we were displayed a number of modern irrigation methodologies which, if implemented, can have fruitful results. As we all know, in the present day scenario, the availability of fresh water is gradually decreasing. The same thing is also seen in case of irrigation water. The reduction of irrigation water is due to various reasons such as excessive extraction of groundwater. The over extraction of groundwater is quite evident in modern ecosystems as the demand of water is ever increasing. Presently, in the most of the households, there is boring capacity, which is drastically depleting the groundwater. In addition to these, other factors such as irregular rain pattern, which lead to unpredictable volume of rain, and in uncontrolled and ever-increasing population that continues to exhaust the limited water resources is adding more worries to this problem. Now, while we were discussing the root cause of problem, the lower irrigation, we should not forget the drastic effects of reduced irrigation in our lives. This is because the reduction of irrigation water may lead to a number of major problems, such as reduction of crop yield leading to economic loss. Now, in a country like India, where the per capita income around rupees financial year 2024-25, an additional economic loss due to lowered irrigation would be too much to handle for the people. In addition to this, a number of other problems would also crop up. Some of them include the higher salinity, as it can damage soil quality, hence further reducing the agricultural yield. Moreover, socio-economic conflict over limited water resources among defined users may also be seen. Due to lowering of water table, thereby damaging the socio-economic structure of the society. Now, in a highly populous country like India, which is recently topped the chart as the most populous country, overtaking China, the reduction of crop yield as well as water can have serious food safety concerns, as the consumption of red keeps on increasing with population. As a result of this, it has become the need of the hour to find alternative methods of irrigation technologies so as to minimize the damage to our ecosystem. In the seminar that we had attended, a number of sub-irrigation methods were discussed. These methods helps us immensely in visualizing various alternative methods of irrigation so that proper utilization water resources in agriculture can be carried out. Now my colleague, Sri Partha, Assistant Engineer, will carry on the presentation. Thank you.
Deputy Chief Sir, Superintendent Sir, and my dear colleagues and other senior officers present here. Today, I'm going to present one PowerPoint presentation on the topic of advances in irrigation technologies and management. Now, what is irrigation? It means watering of land by artificial means to foster plant growth. Next, the type of irrigation. Number 1, surface irrigation. Surface irrigation. Number 2, drip irrigation. 3, sprinkler irrigation. And number 4, surface irrigation. Surface irrigation means the water is lifted from surface like pond, lake, river, etc. And drip irrigation means the precise method of applying water directly to the root zones through small pipes or emitter. And number 3, sprinkler irrigation, a method of applying the irrigation water which is similar to the natural rainfall. And number 4 is surface irrigation, a method of delivering water directly to the root zone by dredging drip lines under the soil surface. This picture shows this details here. Surface irrigation, number 1. Number 2 is subsurface irrigation. And number 3 is sprinkler. Number 4, drip irrigation. This picture shows the details. Now, advances in irrigation technologies. Some technologies aim to improve water efficiency, boost crop yield, and enhance resource use as follows. Number 1, solar power mobile lift irrigation. This method, a method of irrigation that uses solar energy to power mobile water pumps, which can be moved to different locations as you need for irrigating crops. Following are the main fragments or segments involved here. Number 1, floating platform. Number 2, solar panels. Number 3, remote monitoring system. And number 4, mobile portable. Solar power mobile irrigation means floating pattern means the pump. The pump station is mounted on a platform that floats on recycled UPVC drums, means unplasticized polyvinyl chloride drums, means empty drums, where the platform is floated, just like boat, and it can be moved from one place to another place for irrigating the crop. Number 2, solar panels. These solar panels are integrated into the platform, providing electricity to power the pump. Next, the remote monitoring system. It is an Internet of Things technology, IoT, which allows real-time monitoring for the systems for running research and voltage and current for knowing that their parameters. And number 4, mobile portable, means it is movable. The entire system can be easily moved and relocated as needed, making it adaptable to various farming needs. And picture shows the details. Now here you can see solar, number figure 1, solar power mobile lift irrigation project in Boko, Assam. Means this irrigation scheme was implemented by State Government Irrigation Department last year, where this entire system was used. Here you see the solar panels are just like rooftops, and below there, empty drums are attached here for putting the platform where the water pump is installed for delivering the water to the crop field. And this is a fixed water pump. This is in Calcutta. Just one picture connected from internet, and the purpose is same, but difference is this: it is movable, it is fixed. Some site images from Majuli, Assam. Also, this is the Gormur Putuki Sapuri, Assam. It is also an implemented project by Assam government, and another picture is showing that Mudoi Tanti, Assam. This is also a Majuli-based picture, implemented irrigation scheme by solar mobile lift irrigation system. Now a short video showing the implementation method. You see the picture by State Government Assam. Sorry for sound is not coming here. But pictures of solar mobile power lift irrigation. Mobile lift irrigation. State government process. Solar. Mobile movable sir. মানে floating platform.
বহুত কৰিছে
সেইটো আছে না
বহুত কৰি আছে
ইয়াতে মানে স্পিকাৰ মানুহটো কিবা ভিডিঅ' চলাব চাউণ্ডটো আহিব লাগিব
Number 2 method is
তাতে স্ক্ৰীন অফ কৰিব লাগে ইয়াতে অন
সেইটো বেলেগকে আছে নেকি আপুনি
এইটোৱে আছে
তাত সোমাই থোৱা আছে ন বেলেগকে
ফোল্ডাৰত নাই গটো ফোল্ডাৰত আছে এইটোতে আছে তাৰ ভিতৰত দি আছে Number 2 method is the nutrient field technique NFT. It is a hydroponic system where hydroponic means the watering of the irrigation without soil. Hydroponic system where plants grow with their roots submerged in a shallow, constantly recycling stream of nutrient-rich water. Picture shows the details here. This is a reservoir where nutrient solution mixed medicine is fixed here, and by water pump, this lifting the water to flow the over growing channel is touched, and there the roots are planted only in the water without soil. This is the another picture, nutrient film technique. Here also nutrient pump circulate the nutrients, and through this pipe, it goes to one person nutrient flows into the ground channel, and unused nutrient flows back to the second tank and recirculate, reprocess it, and continues the process. This is called nutrient film technique. But till now, it is not implemented in Assam or Northeast. I have not found this till now, but this source is only the internet. Nutrient film technique. Now, following the main fragments involved here, growth shift channels, which is this upper portion, and this water pump. You see the under water pump, and the nutrient solution is mixed solution here. Now, it is a short video, which is also sound is not coming.
কিমান এটা ঘণ্টাতে একো নাই
আধা ঘণ্টা চাই অলপ যাব আৰু
আধা ঘণ্টাতে যদি ধান আনো আৰু দেৰি কৰে যদি ধান দেৰি হ'ব
Hey guys, so if one situation we have to examination process to complete, which is
another T method is hydroponic method. Hydroponic method. It is a soilless cultivation method where plants are grown with their roots suspended in the air and misted with a nutrient-rich solution. This is same as NFT, but difference is that it is in the suspended in air only, and without water and without soil. And suspended roots, their main terms are used suspended roots or fragments. These plants are grown with their roots suspended in air, not submerged in water or soil. Number two, nutrient-rich mist. It is same as an NFT. The roots are regularly sprayed with a mist containing essential nutrients for plant growth. Pictures of the details here. This is the pump and this is the spray nozzle from which we can spray to the plant roots, where there is no soil or water required. Only the spray mist is done here. Spray. Spray by pumping. Nutrient solution is mixed under this system. For which it is sir, solar power जो mobile device है, हेतु ऐसे अपना पेडी, it is মানে generally মানে হয় হয় মানে এইটো এইটো মানে হিউজ এৰিয়া কভাৰ নকৰে আৰু অলপ মানে ঘৰৰ ভিতৰতে এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ And so control environment, aeroponic systems are often set up in the control environments where temperature, humidity, and other factors can be managed. Resource efficiency, the aeroponics generally uses less water and fertilizer compared to the traditional farming methods. It is just advantages of this. And disease prevention, the direct system, direct zone in aeroponic system reduces the risk of soil-borne disease and pests. Soil से जो disease होता है उसका साथ prevention होता है system. And finally, sir, remote sensing technology. It utilizes the satellite imagery and aerial drones to assess the crop water stress and monitor water availability, and helps farmers make informed decisions about the irrigation, scheduling, and water management practices, and improves groundwater management by identifying areas of potential water depletion and implementing targeted conservative measures. And the pictures are details here. Future of farming deep dive into the remote sensing. Number one is energy source is sun, which reduces the radiation. Here are some targets. Number three, And from the targets, reflection to the sensor, means satellite, and after sensing it to it delivers the it's sensing to processing station. After that, some advanced computer analysis it. After that, some application will be done. And this is some more eyesight. Thank you, sir. Now, rest,
এগ্রিকালচার খেতি করে নাকি
sir.
এই যে লাস্ট
So, satellite imagery पर साइड तो मैंने डिटेक्ट कर पा जाए आरो कुंतो एरिया मैंने कल्टीवेबल होबो आरो
স্টাডি করে
स्टडी कर पा जाए इधर से इम्प्लीमेंट होना है तो हमारे इधर
খেতি হব পাৰে
it is a satellite imagery पर है तो it is next part will be delivered by colleague Nikhil Prasad.
বঢ়িয়া হৈছে।
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to wish a very good evening to Chief Sir, Deputy Chief Sir, and Superintending Engineer Sir, and Executive Engineer Sir, and all my other seniors and my colleagues. So, starting with the traditional innovation in the midst of all these advanced irrigation techniques, it is a very old tradition which is specifically used in Meghalaya, that is known as bamboo drip irrigation. This system is basically they have been trying and implementing for centuries, and which is a very remarkable example of sustainable irrigation. What it basically it used the bamboo trunks and create a channel for streams, and the spring water and the rainwater is basically carried down to the low-lying fields. This intricate network of bamboo pipes is laid out with such precision that the water is basically used to drops per minute directly to the plants. While this is traditional, the efforts are being made used to include more and more scientific studies and knowledge to it, and basically make it more modern and such that it can be used for a wider application. While this has been traditionally used only in Meghalaya, but it's been spreading to other parts of the northeast India. This is a figure showing the application of bamboo drip irrigation. Very basic, yet it is
जीरो
very,
में भी होता है क्या
sir.
जीरो तो होने की सर जो
अरुणाचल
अरुणाचल जीरो तो है तो जीरो में होता है तो
हाँ सर, मतलब
নর্থ ইস্ট
मतलब हिली एरिया में होता है
सर मेघालय में ही ट्रेडिशनल रहा है, लेकिन अब जैसे मैंने कहा कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी फैल रहा है, कई जगह यूज किया जा रहा है।
तो वो देखने के लिए जाते हैं स्पेशली
अच्छा,
सरफेस एरिया
সেইটো চাবই যায় जीरो सर
और अरुणाचल में सर एक फिश वाटर का मिक्स करके भी वो इरिगेट किया जाता है। वो बेसिकली बहुत न्यूट्रिएंट रिच होता है प्लांट्स के लिए, वो भी होता है, लेकिन वो मतलब ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स है ना, तो हमने इस एडवांस के में इंक्लूड नहीं किया। So next we have this smart irrigation system. This system basically leverage data and automation that is very available to us in nowadays time to optimize irrigation schedule. They move much beyond simpler timers to make informed decision. So it has basically soil moisture sensor. These devices measure the moisture content real time. It helps the farmers to decide whether or how much water they should apply, and it basically reduces the overconsumption or underutilization of water. Weather-based controllers are also there. They basically integrate weather forecast and real-time data to adjust the irrigation schedule, which is very beneficial that farmers don't need to provide water if the rain is nearby. Internet of Things, as we know, it is very common thing nowadays. It is as in our homes, if you use Alexa or Google Home, such type of things, this is Internet of Things. Basically, many devices are interconnected, and they are being used to collect data and crop health that enable to drive irrigation decisions. Next is precision agriculture irrigation. And smart irrigation is a crucial step of this agriculture irrigation. This picture shows the reason why smart irrigation is the way to go in the near future. So the major benefits is obviously water conservation, improved crop health, reduced labor, and increased efficiency and convenience, which is very much needed, as everyone knows that India is facing water scarcity. And in the near future, it is only going to increase. Now we have the benefits of advanced irrigation techniques, that why we should apply it to more and more area in our country. First is water conservation. Just we are using the advanced techniques, we can basically decide that how much water and how where the water should be applied, instead of just flooding the water and wasting a large part of it. Increased crop yields and quality. It provides optimum water and nutrient delivery, which leads to a healthier plants and better harvest and yield. It basically helps the farmers gain more and more from the same area. Cost saving, because the first cost is met, which is usually expensive as it is very advanced, the next similar costs are reduced, like this labor and energy and potentially fertilizer and pesticide, because all the things are being automated. Environment sustainability, which minimizes runoff, nutrient leaching, and soil erosion, which is a major concern among all the states in our country. Adaptability, which is suitable for diverse crop types and can be used and manipulated to suit each and every area and according to the farmer's requirement. Now, what our government is doing for all this, the Indian government is basically applying the scheme like Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, which actively promotes the adoption of micro irrigation system and subsidies to farmers for installing modern irrigation equipment. Although it is being promoted heavily, still the farmers are very reluctant to basically apply all this. So, but despite the benefits, challenges remain, which is namely high initial setup cost. The initial setup cost is the thing that drives farmer away from applying these all these advanced techniques, because one way or the other they are going to look at the cost and say like कि मतलब हम तो इसको अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. ये ज्यादातर फार्मर्स का ख्याल है इस चीज को लेकर. बाकी lack of technical know-how, basically it does not need the manual labors. It needs special training and technical support to effectively operate and maintain this advanced system. Like whoever is operating, he should be effectively undergone the training basically. Next is maintenance requirement. This basically means a very high amount of money is used to maintain this system, because it needs frequent maintenance if applied to a larger area. So with that, we end our presentation on advanced irrigation techniques and management. Thank you all.
ऑनलाइन कोई है क्वेश्चन एनीबॉडी আছে মানুহ বহুত আছে. So my question is there any mobile technology? Mobile technology, I thought that I can operate from mobile. Is that type of technology is there? From mobile, we can control your irrigation.
Yes, sir. As we said, the Internet of Things part, which includes the smart sensors and other equipment, it can be connected to directly to internet and to your phone. You can basically control all your devices and your
From
phone.
mobile.
Yes, sir. It is although it is not being used in our country, but it is very prevalent in US and the Europe.
Oh.
Still, our country is lagging very behind.
So Brahmputra board should think to start this.
Yes, sir.
No?
Instagram before.
But not this mobile technology.
No, sir. So that is just portable. Bring it to mobile now. We need a major overhaul of all the system.
So our Manipur SCSR is preparing DPR for irrigation system. So, no. Okay. So thank you to all.